And I said, gentlemen, I'm going to give you this proposal, which you'll either have the balls to go with, or you'll send for the men in the white coats to drag me away. I actually said that.
Yeah.
And they said, what do you want to do? I said, look, I want to produce a pack which features Batman. I said, the fact that there's an Amiga inside is going to be really ancillary. It'll hardly even be there. Right?
Yeah.
This is Batman the pack. And I said, in order for me to do that, there are things I need. I said, I need you to give me that game for 2 months after it's released, because they estimated it was going to be in September. I want it 2 months exclusively to me. You can't sell it over the counter on its own. 2 months.
Yeah.
I said, I want to pay you practically nothing for it, and I only want to commit to 10,000 pieces.
Right.
So the first thing they said was, send for the men in the white coats, because you must think we're crazy. And I said, and they said, look, they had a discussion. They said, David, we've got a couple of concerns. I said, first of all, we think our dealers are going to be really mad about you having it exclusively for 2 months.
Right.
And I said, you're right, they will be.
Yeah.
I said, but in my opinion, if this goes the way I think it's going to go, they won't be mad for very long, because they will be selling lots of £400 products vis-a-vis a £40 product.
Yeah.
And I know what I prefer to sell. And I can tell it like it is, and
with very much risk of contradiction, because I've got nothing to gain by telling lies. I want the truth to come out, and then people will realize that the mistakes that were made